Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bubble Storm 51 video. Today we're playing Animal Crossing, and you haven't seen it for a while, so we're going to explore the whole pickle. There is being one new neighbour who's new, and there's another one coming tomorrow, but I'm going back to school tomorrow, so I won't get to see her yet, but I know I've seen her already. Oops, sorry. So I could get this straight. I'm going to show you quickly my museum, because I've caught this tarantula and this scorpion. Actually, I'm going to show you on my phone what it actually looks like. Oh, not my passport. So we've got there's the tarantula. It comes out 12 AM and to like evening hours, and then the scorpion is not out the moment, but if you're in that summertime then it would come out like morning, evening, but not like 12 in the morning, not that early, really midnighty. So yeah, let's see if we can get I'm showing you around Pickle right now. So soon there'll be some houses up here. I'll do more video about Animal Crossing. So let's do this. And as you can see, the new update, I know I haven't showed you the update because my phone was not working then and YouTube was glitching, so here's the scare. And it looks scary, doesn't it? And this is what I've been working on. You've probably all seen this, haven't you? Yep. You got Poppy's house, and oh, really, mate. So I've heard that there's been school things going on, so you guys might be watching this after school. Some people like me don't go back until Tuesday, so you might be watching. And if you're watching right now, to all of you, well, hello. So there's my house. We'll do an update on that. Oi, flick. Oh, hello, Rod. How much? Okay. I'm saving up for houses. There you go. Get what you want. Well, what these do? Oh, what the heck is this? Okay, these look awfully weird. So, like that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching me playing Animal Crossing today. Remember to subscribe and you subscribe for free, and if you subscribe, there will be a prize at the end of over 100. Please subscribe, and if you subscribe me, then I won't have to say it over and over and over. And if you're watching me on the TV, ask for parents for permission to make your own YouTube account, so then you can subscribe me. Alright, Bubble fans, bye!